Hello, I'm Mark Aguilar here with Steelcraft Automotive at SEMA, showing our brand new product for the Gladiator. Right here you see our stubby bumper, which is winch ready, LED light ready, also shackle ready. Also the hoop is removable so you can personalize this bumper to your fit. All our bumpers for the Jeep Gladiator come in a matte finish, are E-coated and powder coated for maximum corrosion resistant, and come with a 2-year warranty. And here is our brand new fender flare replacement, which is a mid-width flare. Comes with a DOT approved light, which you must have, and a side marker. And as you can see here, it's in the matte finish. It's E-coated and powder coated like all of our accessories, as well as our inner fender liner here, which is a must if you replace your fender flares, unless you want to try to make the OE fit. And here's our Steelcraft door replacement doors. You can swap over your OE mirror so you do not have to buy any additional mirrors. And as you can see here, we have a latch system that is DOT approved. It is also a double latch system for safety. It is 1-inch-and-a-quarter double tubing, and again is done in a matte finish and is E-coated and powder coated for maximum corrosion resistance. And as you scroll on down, this is our HD sidebar. We believe it has the best step surface on the market. It also has an extended step surface so you can reach the front of your vehicle if needed. And as you can see, the reverse punch surface allows you traction in any situation you get into. And again, comes in the matte finish, E-coated and powder coated. Here is our brand new Gladiator rear bumper replacement. It is shackle ready, reverse light ready. You get to keep all your technology. And of course, as you can see here, it's done in the matte finish and is E-coated and powder coated for maximum corrosion resistance. Here is Steelcraft's brand new rocker armor sidebar. It's for the guy who's looking for something that's a little more tight fit. It is 1.5-inch tubing, has a large step surface with reverse punch. It's done in the matte finish, and of course comes in E-coated powder coated for maximum corrosion resistance. Here's Steelcraft's brand new HD winch ready, full replacement front bumper. It is done in a semi-gloss smooth finish. It of course is winch ready, also has a receiver. Also it allows all technology packages, whether it's a front camera or adaptive cruise. It is shackle ready, and of course is ready for you to bolt onto your vehicle. Here is Steelcraft's flagship front replacement bumper. It is the Elevation series. As you can see, it is done in a matte finish and is E-coated and powder coated for maximum corrosion resistant, as well as has your camera openings for front facing cameras, accommodates any other technology packages, whether it's front sensors or adaptive cruise controls. Is also light bar ready, and you're allowed to retain your factory hooks and your factory fog lights. For more information about all Steelcraft products, you can visit us at steelcraftautomotive.com.